her. She's already off to my side. I'm like, oh my goodness.
She really is drawn. She doesn't want to arm wrestle.
Estaba como.
Hi, Rebecca.
The legs were.
Hi, Rebecca. How are you? How are you doing? Are you good?
Uncle. ¿Cómo quieres que te diga uncle, mijo?
You can call me anything, just not late for dinner.
Okay.
Stretch. Are you recording? We are doing baby stretch exercises with baby Rebecca. This is our new workout video. You gotta put this thing over to the side because it'll come out. This is our new, and this is called the stretch, the leg stretch. All right, ready? Show them, Rebecca. There you go. See? Notice the other leg, how it's stretched? It's done in a parallel motion. That face is an added extra to show that the workout's intense. And if you do your mouth like that, that's called a Michael Jordan, and that's really something. That's really something that just, you know, just adds effects.
Michael Jordan.
I think